So but that will be basically mental model, going deeper inside the mental model. So if we extend this kind of like hierarchical graph upwards, if we keep extending it upwards, then we can go here like the mental models also, like the first thought. So first thought will be of I, like it starts from the I only, I and basically self and non-self. So the mind, this mental projection, it not always have like the self, it always have the others, like outside environment also with it, conditions. So it's a conditional reality, and this is your real body, real sensations basically, that is actually working like all the time to make this happen, because this system, brain cannot work if the heart stops working, you understand? What else can I communicate through this diagram? So the real thing, the consciousness and this like actual body plus mind, this relationship people always show it in a circular manner. Circular manner means you don't take any conditional here. It's like how people show like two snakes coiling together in that way. So it's like this is possible because of this, and this is possible because of this. That kind of relationship is here. It's a paradoxical relationship, but yeah, so that's where is nobody from outside can guide you to reach from here to here. Not reach, basically it's always there, was to realize it. That will be your personal experience. But all of this can be taught and maybe removed, and external help and all of that. What psychology deals with is like these are your mental models. So it says like, okay, this mental model, don't project it like this, project it like this, and all of that. So when we are sitting in meditation, we are actually going upward here. So we are dividing this also into internal and external duality, right? So when mind starts projects the feeling of self or I, then it starts dividing it into two. Because that projection in mind in itself is kind of one part of it. It's not the full consciousness. Full consciousness lies here, where there is like heart also, and basically there's a awareness like of life plus all this like heart, this body plus mind thing happening together, like everything like inside the packaging, okay? So that is actually the place of the present, where you the floating time, right, as you call it, because time is floating right now. The moment I say it, it's not the moment I observed and said it. You see, maybe it's a 1 second difference, but still it's I cannot catch that. I see it, okay, you understand, like that I'm seeing it, and then I am translating it. Okay, this is what I saw, but there is a processing lag in that. It's like a CPU. It takes some time, maybe it's microseconds or like very short amount of time, but you cannot catch it with words. So yeah, I think let's just do sitting